How to mark a conversation as unread. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mark your conversation as unread. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on the home icon and click on the paper plane up beside the heart icon and choose your conversation. All you need to do is keep clicking on the screen. And now click on the second option, which is mark as unread, and this is it. Now go back and you're gonna find like this number 1 beside the paper plane. It's like the number of conversation you marked as unread. Now to go back, all you need to do is click on it and click on all you need to do to go back is click on it, go back, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.